Good morning class 2. This is your EVS class and we are doing the revision of lesson 2, how the body works. In our previous class we had done the explanation revision of this chapter, and in today's video we are going to do the exercise revision of this chapter. Okay, so let's start chapter 2, how the body works. Now open your books to the page number 12. Here is the first exercise given on page number 12, that is words to know. These are the difficult words of the chapters, okay? And these are the meanings of these words. So the first word is organs. As I have earlier told you that what are organs? Organs are the body parts. So organs, what is the meaning of organs? Body parts that have special work to do. Organs mean body parts that have special work to do. Next word is pumps. Pumps, what is the meaning of pump? To force blood to flow in a particular direction. जब ब्लड को फोर्स करता है हमारा हार्ट किसी भी डायरेक्शन में फ्लो करने के लिए, तो उसके लिए हम वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं पंप. पंप मीन्स टू फोर्स ब्लड to flow in a particular direction. Okay, now number 3 is digest. Digest means to change food in our stomach into objects that our body can use. Digest means जब हम अपना फूड ईट करते हैं तो जो हमारा फूड होता है उसको हमारा स्टमक चेंज कर देता है ऐसे ऑब्जेक्ट्स में जो हमारी बॉडी के यूज़ में आते हैं. So digest here, digest means to change food in our stomach into objects that our body can use. Okay, now the number 4th is function. Function means to act something. It means action or role. Function means action or role. Okay. So this is the first exercise. Now come to the page number 13. On page number 13 is the exercise A given. Choose the correct word and fill in the blanks. Here are the words given in the box. You have to choose the correct option and you have to fill it in the blanks. So number 1 is our body is like a dash. Here are two options given, machine or box. Our body is like a machine or box. So the right answer is machine. So here we can write machine. Our body is like a machine. M-A-C-H-I-N-E, machine. Our body is like a machine. Number 2 is our body parts are called dash. हमारे body parts को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Here are the two options given, senses and organs. So, our body parts are called organs. Organs is a right option. So, here we can write organs. O-R-G-A-N-S. Organs. Our body parts are called organs. हमारे body parts को हम क्या बोलते हैं? We call it organs. O-R-G-A-N-S. Organs. Number 3 is we use our dash to throw things. We use our dash to throw things. Here are the two options given, legs और arms. हम things को throw करने के लिए, फेंकने के लिए किसका यूज़ करते हैं? We use our arms. हम अपने arms का यूज़ करते हैं. We use our arms to throw things. A-R-M-S, arms. We use our arms to throw things. Now number 4, the dash helps us to think. Here are the two options given, heart or brain. कौन हमें think करने के लिए? Think means सोचना. सोचने में हमें कौन help करता है? The brain helps us to think. B-R-A-I-N, brain. The brain helps us to think. The brain helps us to think. Number 5 is all the organs work together to keep us dash. here are the two options given, healthy और sick. सारे ऑर्गन्स एक साथ मिलकर वर्क करते हैं हमें कैसा बनाने के लिए, हेल्दी बनाने के लिए, और सिक. सिक मीन्स बीमार. सो हमें हेल्दी बनाते हैं सारे ऑर्गन्स या सिक. सो हियर इज द राइट ऑप्शन इज हेल्दी. आर all the organs work together to keep us healthy. 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 All the organs work together to keep us healthy. So I am repeating it. Number 1, our body is like a machine. Number 2, our body parts are called organs. Number 3, we use our arms to throw things. Number 4 is the brain helps us to think. And number 5 is all the organs work together to keep us healthy. Okay class, so here is exercise A. Now exercise B, how many do we have? Write in numbers. Here are some body parts given. We have to tell that how many of these organs we have. Write in numbers. We have to write it in a numbers. हमें बताना है हमारे पास कितने ऑर्गन, कितने हाउ मैनी नंबर ऑफ ऑर्गन्स वी हैव. मतलब ये जो ऑर्गन्स दे रखे हैं वो हमारे पास कितने होते हैं उसका हमें नंबर्स यहाँ लिखने हैं. नंबर 1 इज हैंड्स. फर्स्ट ऑर्गन गिवन है हैंड्स. हाउ मैनी हैंड्स वी हैव? वी हैव 2 हैंड्स. सो हियर वी राइट 2 हैंड्स, 2. Number 2 is legs. How many legs we have? We have 2 legs. How many legs we have? We have 2 legs. Now number 3, shoulders. How many shoulders we have? Shoulders क्या होते हैं? कंधे. तो हमारे पास कितने shoulders हैं? We have 2 shoulders. So we write 2 in front of the shoulders. Number 4 is face. Face. How many face? Face we have? We have 1 face. So we write 1 in front of the face. Face 1. Number 5 is eyes. How many eyes do we have? We have 2 eyes. So we write 2 here in front of the eyes. Eyes 2. Number 6 is feet. How many feet we have? 2. Feet 2. Okay. Now number 7, fingers. How many fingers we have? We have 10 fingers. Total हम पे कितनी fingers होती हैं? 10. एक हैंड में हमारे 5 फिंगर्स होती हैं और दूसरे हैंड में हमारे 5 फिंगर्स होती हैं. सो द टोटल फिंगर्स वी हैव इज 10 फिंगर्स. 10. नेक्स्ट इज आर्म्स. हाउ मेनी आर्म्स वी हैव? 2. कितने आर्म्स होते हैं हमारे? 2 आर्म्स. 2. नंबर 9 इज हेड. हाउ मेनी हेड्स वी हैव? वी हैव ओनली 1 हेड. तो हेड के सामने हम लिखेंगे 1. हेड 1. नंबर 10 इज ईयर्स. हाउ मेनी ईयर्स वी हैव? वी हैव 2 ईयर्स. ईयर्स 2. ओके. नंबर 1 हैंड्स 2. नंबर 2 legs 2. नंबर 3 shoulders 2. नंबर 4 is face 1. नंबर 5 is eyes 2. Number 6 is feet 2. Number 7 fingers 10. Number 8 arms 2. Number 9 head 1. And number 10 is ears 2. So here are the 3 exercises that we have done today. Words to know. First is words to know. Second is fill in the blanks. And third is how many do we have? Write in numbers. So this is the revision of the exercises of chapter 2. In the next video we will do the question answers and the exercise that is given on page number 14. Okay. So today you have to do the revision of words to know, fill in the blanks, and exercise B of chapter 2. Okay class. So this is all for today. Thank you.